free exercise for science and environmental issues. It's a free game, it's educational, and you can play it yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link to the game. I'm gonna press start now. There will be changes in water use, habitat loss for animals. There will be less capacity for hydroelectric power. Salt water enters freshwater zones more and more when there is global warming. There will be more floods. We will see delta levee changes, which will change the environment and bring larger risks. We will see reduced quality of groundwater. We will see changes in agriculture capacity and crop growing. We will see retreating snowpacks in glacier mountains and ice packs. We will see large river flow fluctuations. And we will see more droughts. Now you can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link to the game. Cities of the world. Subscribe. More videos on travel and cities. Games for school, geography and geosciences. Link to free games.